The desktop 3D printer market has matured to offer a wide range of capabilities, from budget-friendly entry points to high-speed, multicolor systems. For consumers, the decision often hinges on print quality, reliability, material compatibility, and total cost of ownership. In this review, I test and compare 5 models spanning Creality.
Product number 1. Forge AD5X Multicolor 3D Printer. The AD5X is Forge's flagship multicolor Core XY printer in this lineup. It touts 600 mm per second peak travel with a 300 C direct drive extruder, interchangeable nozzles 0.25, 0.4, 0.6, and 0.8 mm, and a workflow-friendly feature set including one-click auto leveling, automatic filament feeding, and remote monitoring via the FlashMaker app. The build volume is 220 by 220 by 220 mm, and the chassis emphasizes stability with a vibration compensation system and dual-channel cooling to support rapid, consistent prints. Customer reviews sit around 4.1 out of 5, reflecting solid performance with room for refinement in software and support. In practical terms, the AD5X targets users who want speed without sacrificing detail, and multicolor capability without resorting to complex post-processing. The one-click auto leveling reduces setup friction, while the auto filament loading and resume printing support helps smooth out interruptions common in busy prototyping environments. The open nozzle ecosystem allows tailoring the workflow to small batch production or detailed figurines, but high-speed reliability depends on consistent bed adhesion and accurate Z offset across the platform. The 300 C direct drive extruder expands material options beyond standard PLA to some petg ABS blends, though enclosure consideration may be beneficial for high-temp materials.
Product number 2. Forge Adventurer 5M 3D printer with fully auto leveling. The Adventurer 5M is a compact Core XY system geared toward rapid throughput with automatic leveling and a 280 C direct extruder. It features a 12x ultra-fast printing capability, 600 mm per second travel, 20,000 mm per second squared, and a quick change nozzle set, 0.25 to 0.8 mm, alongside a dual-sided PEI print surface and remote monitoring via the FlashMaker app. Weighing under 25 pounds with a footprint designed for desktops or classrooms, it aims to deliver high-speed prototyping with a straightforward user experience. Its user base often cites strong automatic leveling, reliable first layers, and fast warm-up as key advantages. Performance-wise, the Adventurer 5M excels in rapid iterations and batch-like workloads where reliability and repeatable first layers matter. The 3-second nozzle changes and 35-second warm-up to 200 C minimize downtime between prints, while stable dual-fan cooling supports cleaner corners at speeds. For hobbyists and educators, the integrated app ecosystem and 1,000-plus model library add tangible value, though some users report a learning curve for optimal material settings and occasional connectivity hiccups on busy networks. Material options are versatile given the 280 C rating, but enclosure and proper ventilation remain considerations for higher temp filaments. Product number 3. Forge 3D printer AD5M. The AD5M reiterates Forge's high-speed Core XY approach with a 600 mm per second max travel speed, 3-second quick swap nozzles, and a 280 Celsius direct drive extruder. It leverages automatic bed leveling via a pressure sensor and an open-source friendly stance for firmware and hardware upgrades. The 220 by 220 by 220 mm build volume matches the Adventurer 5M, but AD5M emphasizes precision extrusion and a dual cooling system to maintain detail at speed. The enclosure is optional, allowing users to tailor temperature control to their material needs. In practice, the AD5M's strength lies in rapid prototyping where print farms or makers require quick iteration cycles without sacrificing fidelity. The 0.25 to 0.8 mm nozzle spectrum offers a broad range of use case capabilities, from nanoscale features to larger, faster prints. Print continuity features like power loss recovery and object skipping for multi-part jobs reduce downtime and improve throughput. Open source status invites community-driven improvements, but this also means users should be prepared to manage firmware updates and potential compatibility tweaks with slicing software.
Product number 4. Entina Tina 2S 3D printer with Wi-Fi cloud printing. The Tina 2S from Entina is a fully assembled, beginner-friendly FDM printer with Wi-Fi cloud printing, a sizable model library, the Apollo Print Cloud, and auto leveling. It emphasizes ease of use for homes and classrooms with a compact form factor, 11.4 by 8.6 by 8.6 inches, and a 0.04 millimeter minimum layer resolution claim. The price sits around $230, and the unit includes a 9.38-pound chassis with a single extruder path designed for PLA, PETG type materials. Open source compatibility with Cura and Simplify 3D is noted, adding to its flexibility for learners and educators. Performance-wise, Tina 2S targets effortless operation and reliable prints for beginners, with a combined print speed around 200 millimeters per second claimed. The auto-leveling bed, flexible spring steel plate, and quick change nozzle contribute to a user-friendly experience and easier maintenance. The built-in LED status and silent motherboard enhance the home-friendly experience. For more advanced users, the open ecosystem may be appealing, but enthusiasts seeking high-temp materials or multi-material printing may outgrow this model quickly.
Product number 5. Creality Ender 3 V3 SE 3D printer. The Ender 3 V3 SE is Creality's budget-friendly upgrade focused on speed and convenience, featuring a Sprite direct extruder, CR Touch auto leveling, dual Z-axis, and auto filament loading. It promises up to 250 millimeters per second prints and a simplified 20-minute first setup path with easy assembly. The 8.66 by 8.66 by 9.84 inch build volume makes it an approachable entry point for PLA-focused projects and beginners who want to scale into PETG with modest upgrades. The unit's price of $197 positions it as a strong value entry in this group. In practice, the Ender 3 V3 SE offers a compelling balance of speed and reliability for everyday PLA prints, with the Sprite extruder delivering consistent extrusion under high-speed conditions and the CR Touch auto-leveling simplifying bed setup. The dual Z-axis and Y-axis linear shafts contribute to improved vertical stability, reducing wobble on taller prints. However, like many budget printers, it benefits from careful calibration, locker firmware for best results, and potential fundamental upgrades, enclosures, quieter drivers, to maximize performance and safety when printing at top speeds or with advanced materials.